If you woke up feeling stiff, heavy, or like you're already behind, pause. Today, we're not rushing into another day. You're realigning your energy first. Let's hit the mat. We're starting strong by opening the front body, the place tension loves to hide overnight. Lie on your stomach, hands under your shoulders. Press gently into your palms, lifting your chest while keeping your hips grounded. Keep your shoulders relaxed, away from your ears. You're going to feel a deep stretch across the abdomen, chest, and lower back. I promise, opening the front chain resets your breathing and posture and prepares you for real movement. Beginners, keep your elbows bent. Advanced stretches, straighten your arms fully and lift higher. Did you know that sitting all day shortens your front body? Silently wrecking your energy. Hold for 5 more seconds. Open your heart space wider. Do you feel that in your core yet? If not, drive the crown of your head gently upward. That just unlocked your spine. Now let's flip the script and stretch the back chain. Now we open the entire back line. Calves, hamstrings, spine, shoulders, all of it. From hands and knees, lift your hips high. Press your chest towards your thighs, heels reaching for the floor. Relax your neck completely. You'll feel a full body stretch from your wrists to your heels. I promise this resets circulation, improves flexibility, and boosts mental clarity fast. Beginners, keep a bend in the knees. Advanced stretches, push the floor away and lift the tailbone even higher. 1 minute of downward dog can increase brain oxygen by nearly 15%. Push into your palms. 5 more seconds stretching deeper. Feel that gentle burn behind your legs yet? If not, bend your knees more and tilt your hips higher. That just unlocked your body's power line. Let's fire up the hips next. This stretch is about power and control. You're preparing your foundation for the day. Stand with feet wide, toes out slightly, squat low, elbows pressing into your knees. Keep your chest lifted and spine long. You're going to feel a deep stretch in the inner thighs, hips, and ankles. Mobility in the hips is a secret weapon to unlocking lower back freedom. Beginners, stay higher in the squat. Advanced stretches, rock side to side gently for a deeper stretch. The deeper your squat, the healthier your knees stay as you age. Stay low. 5 more seconds. Own it. Are your hips opening yet? If not, push your knees out a tiny bit more. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's flow into strength and stability. Let's create fluid strength with the low lunge flow. Step your left foot forward into a low lunge, a back knee resting softly. Lift your chest and reach your arms overhead. Shift gently forward and back to open the hip flexor. You're going to feel a deep opening in the right hip flexor and quad. Mobile hips equals stronger, freer walking, running, standing, and sitting posture. Beginners, keep your hands on your thigh. Advanced stretches, add a side bend towards your front leg for extra stretch. Did you know that tight hip flexors pull on your lower back and drain energy without you realizing it? Sink just a little deeper. 5 more seconds. Do you feel that hip release? If not, lift your chest higher and breathe deeper into the stretch. That just unlocked the left hip. Now let's balance it out. You're not lopsided, you're powerful. Let's bring it all together. Step your right foot forward, a left knee down, a chest tall, arms reaching up, flow gently forward and back. You're going to feel an opening through your left side now, matching the other side. Symmetry in your hips means better posture, easier breathing, and smoother movement. Beginners, hands on thighs. Advanced stretches, twist slightly toward the front knee for added activation. Did you know that hip mobility can add years to athletic life and injury resilience? Sink in. 5 more seconds. You're stronger than you think. Feel that mirror stretch? If not, lift taller from the sternum and sink into the hips. That just unlocked your full body foundation. energy, breath, power, all aligned. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.